In this SiteGround tutorial, I'm going to be going over how to create a SiteGround account step by step from start to finish. Creating an account with SiteGround is a quick and easy process. I'll also be providing you with a SiteGround discount so you can save money on your SiteGround web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 83% off SiteGround hosting plus a free domain name. Let's get started with the Create SiteGround Account tutorial. The first thing you want to do to create a SiteGround account is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to SiteGround, and so you can take advantage of the SiteGround discount by getting up to 83% off plus a free domain name. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome SiteGround discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the SiteGround web hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Startup, Grow Big, and Go Geek plan. You'll see you'll save up to 83% off depending on the plan you go with. All 3 plans come with a free domain name, free email accounts, free daily backups with the restore option, free SSL certificate, free CDN, enhanced security, a 30-day money-back guarantee, managed WordPress, out-of-the-box caching, unlimited databases, and more. The startup plan is a good plan if you're going to have just one website. This plan comes with 10 gigabytes web space and allows 10,000 monthly website visits per month. The Grow Big plan is a good plan if you're going to have more than one website. This plan comes with unlimited websites, 20 gigabytes web space, and allows 100,000 monthly website visits. The Grow Big plan comes with some extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, and site staging. The Go Geek plan includes unlimited websites, 40 gigabytes web space, and allows up to 400,000 website visitors per month. The Go Geek plan comes with extra features such as on-demand backup copies, 30% faster PHP, staging plus Git, white label clients, free private DNS, highest tier of resources, and priority support. Click the Get Plan button on the plan you want to select. For this tutorial, I'm going to select the Startup plan. You'll now be on the Choose a Domain page. If you'd like to register a new domain name with SiteGround, you can type it in the search field. You'll see you'll receive your domain name for free. If you click on the .com, you can choose the domain extension you'd like to go with. If you already have a domain name, you can select the existing domain and type it in the domain you own. Once you've chosen a domain name, or put in one that you already own, click the Continue button. You'll now see congratulations, the domain you chose is available for free registration. You want to enter your account information in. Next, input your information for the client information. Input your payment information in. Under the purchase information section, where you see 12 months best deal, if you click on this, from the drop-down, you can change the term for your SiteGround hosting. You can choose 1 month, 12 months, and 24 months. You get the best deal of 83% off with the 12-month term. If you click the pencil icon where you see the plan you chose, you can change the plan you like to go with. If you click the pencil icon next to Data Center, you can change the data center you'd like to go with. Next, you'll see Extra Services. You'll see you'll be getting a free domain name with your SiteGround web hosting purchase. Next, you'll see optional extra services offered by SiteGround. If you chose to register a domain name with SiteGround, you'll see Domain Privacy. I highly recommend going with Domain Privacy, as this will protect your personal information from the public. It can protect you from getting lots of spam and telemarketers reaching out to you via email and phone to sell you their services. When a domain name is registered, it is required, regardless of the company you go with, that your personal information be included in the public WHOIS database. By choosing Domain Privacy plus Protection, instead of your information showing, it'll show SiteGround's information protecting you. The next extra service is Site Scanner. Site Scanner monitors and scans your website daily and will notify you if your site has been hacked into or malicious code has been added to it so you can get it fixed. The next extra service is Premium Backup. Premium Backup provides you with automated hourly site backups, on-demand backups, additional daily backups, and you can restore your site, files, or database with a few clicks. The next extra service is Email Marketing. This service allows you to collect leads from your site and convert the leads into sales for your business with this email marketing tool. Scroll down to the Order Summary section. You'll now want to select the option that you agree to the SiteGround terms and conditions. The next option is optional. Feel free to select this if you want to receive information about SiteGround service updates, new features, special offers, and more. Click the Pay Now button. SiteGround will now email you your receipt along with login details so you can begin in creating your site. You've successfully created a SiteGround account. That is my SiteGround tutorial going over how to create a SiteGround account. If you have any questions, get in touch in the comments as I'm here to help you with anything you need. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. Let us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more SiteGround hosting tutorial videos.